So in this problem, which is a word problem, what we're having is a set of values we're given. What we're going to do is, first we're going to go through it, we're going to filter what not important information we have, and we're going to note them down, and then we're going to understand what to do in this problem. So what they're asking us to do is they're asking us to find the total number, the total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books. Okay, and you're supposed to use this using matrix multiplication or matrix algebra. So what we're going to do is, let's first sort out all the information which we have. So they say that we're having 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics books, and 10 dozen economics books. So as you can see, they're all in dozens. So what we have to do is we're supposed to multiply them by 12 to get the total number of books which the bookshop has got. So now what else they've given is that each chemistry book costs 80 rupees, each physics book costs 60, and economics book is 40. So what's going to happen now is we're gonna have to find out how much money the bookshop makes. So to do this, let's first make the two information which we have into matrices. So the first matrix is going to contain the number of dozens of books. So the matrix is going to have 10, 8, and 10. Okay, so now this is in dozens. So what we have to do is supposed to multiply it by 12. So we have 12 into the matrix which has 10, 8, and 10. So now we're going to multiply this with the amount each book costs. So each chemistry book costs 80. So let's put 80 in as the first element. And the physics book costs 60. So let's put 60 in the second. And third is going to be 40, which is your economics books. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the two matrices. So we know that we're going to take the first row and first column. As you can see, we only have one row and one column. So what we're going to end up with is 12 into what's given over here. So we're going to have 12 into 1680. So what we're going to do is just going to multiply these two, and when we multiply, we're going to get 20,160. So this is going to be the amount of money which the bookshop makes. So that's going to be your answer. So what we have to know here basically is how to make, first you have to remember that everything is given in dozens. So you're supposed to convert that into a number of books, total books, and then what else you have to know is how to make a sentence into a matrix and solve it. So if you know these two things, it should be easy for you to solve.